I occasionally think how quickly our differences worldwide would vanish if we were facing an alien threat from outside this world. And yet, I ask you, is not an alien force already among us?
Hey guys, so I'm in Little Elm Lake here recording weird lights. So it's passing through a tree. I'm inside my car. I have all my windows down. Whoa, look at that, and you can hear no sound at all. Let me show you some landscape here. So I'm here near a house, and this thing is flying on the top. Try to zoom in. Whoa. Wow, never seen anything like that before. Oh man, I'm so sorry. What the is that? Wow, check that out. Oh man, I am so sorry that I'm shaking. It's that I'm using a telephoto lens. It's heavy. So this thing is just like circling around me. Oh no, it's going behind me. Holy cow. And it's getting really close. Damn. Oh, there's a light post there, sorry. So this is a freaking square flying. What the fudge is that? And as you can see, this is real, guys. Like, basically outside here in my apartment. I'm trying to focus on that again. And as you saw, this thing makes no sound. gone.
It's very strange. That is not an airplane. That is not a helicopter. Those are not birds. It's an unidentified flying object.